When was the last time you thought about your retirement? And no, I don't mean a passing thought retirement. Malayo pa yan. What if I told you that retirement is closer than what you think and it's not just a phase you walk into? It's something you build now, brick by brick. Most of us spend years working hard, meeting deadlines, raising families, pursuing passions. Pero pagdating sa retirement, parang napakadali natin sabihin, bahala na. But the reality is, retirement is not something na bigla na lang darating. It's a stage in life that will either be full of possibilities or full of worries. The choice is ours to make, and the truth is, the earlier we start planning, the better our future will be. So, what are we really worried about when it comes to retirement? Savings wipe out. Alam nyo ba na one of the biggest fears among retirees is the sudden wipe out of their savings dahil sa mga emergencies like medical expenses? Isipin mo, you've worked all your life, no? But one major incident could drain everything you've built. Second, poor health and medical costs. Ironic, isn't it? We work hard all our lives to secure our future, only to realize that health issues become more expensive as we age. Maintenance meds, hospitalizations, di ba nakaka-stress? A big portion of what you save could be eaten up by these costs. Third, being a burden. Let's face it, hindi natin gustong maging pabigat sa ating pamilya. Many Filipinos rely on their children as their retirement plan. But is it that fair? Ang daming uncertainties. Will your children have enough for their own families and you? Will they be able to support you in the way you deserve? Fourth, limited pensions and benefits. Alam mo ba that only a small percentage of elderly Filipinos are covered by SSS or GSIS, and those who are receive benefits that are hardly enough? And based on projections, SSS funds might be exhausted by 2034. So the question is, are we willing to rely solely on that? So, what should you do? No, number one, take control of your savings. Huwag mong gawing bahala na ang retirement savings mo. Set a plan, have a goal. Start saving even if it's small. Now remember, savings are not extra money. They are an expense for your future. Ang iniipon mo ngayon, yun ang magbibigay sa iyo ng peace of mind bukas. Second, secure your income stream. How? Find a retirement plan that works for you. One of the best examples is Pru Lifetime Income, which provides a guaranteed stream of income starting at point. Let's say, for example, you choose 300,000 per year for life. Imagine, instead of worrying about where your money will come from, you have a reliable cash flow designed to support you throughout your retirement years. Third, protect against life uncertainties. Kasama sa retirement planning ang pag-secure sa sarili mo from unforeseen risks like sickness, accidents, and other life events. Make sure you have the right protection in place para hindi maubos ang pinaghirapan mo dahil sa mga biglaang gastos. Fourth, start now, not later. Alam mo, the biggest cost is not what you pay. It's what you miss out on by not acting early. Every year, every month, every day na dumadaan without preparing for your retirement is a day wasted. Imagine investing now and reaping the rewards for life. Hindi ba mas magaan ang buhay kapag alam mong secured ang future mo? So, why does this matter? At the end of the day, retirement is not just a phase of life. It's the longest holiday of your life. Gusto mo ba ng retirement na puno ng pangamba? O gusto mo ng buhay na may freedom, joy, at opportunities? This is not about selling a product. It's about creating a future you can look forward to. A future where you are free to live fully surrounded by peace of mind and possibilities. Retirement is not the end, it's the start of a new chapter, and the best way to secure that chapter is to plan, act, and build it today. So, my question is, what kind of future do you want to build?